Hello guys and welcome back for another comparison. Today we will show you the best credit cards for travelers. Discover how top-tier travel credit cards can transform your journeys, offering unparalleled rewards and benefits for flights, hotels, and more. So in today's journey, we'll make a little introduction to premier travel cards to explore the world of travel credit cards and their unique advantages. And then we will deep dive into the top contenders. So we will take a detailed look at Chase Sapphire Reserve, Amex Platinum, and Capital One Venture X. Then we will do a comprehensive comparison, so a side-by-side analysis of features, fees, and benefits, then the key takeaways and the next steps. So first, let's start with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the point maximizer. It has an annual fee of $795 with a welcome bonus of 100,000 points and $500 Chase travel credit with $5,000 spent in 3 months. For the top rewards, it has 8 times on Chase travel purchases, 4 times on flights and hotels, and 3 times on dining. For the key benefits, you have $3 travel credit with priority pass lounge access and one-to-one point transfers to airline and hotel partners. Next, we have the Platinum card from American Express, Luxury Unlocked. It has an annual fee of $695 with a welcome bonus of up to 175,000 points, which is $8,000 spent in 6 months. For the top rewards, it has 5 times on flights and prepaid hotels booked via Amex Travel. For the key benefits, it has $200 hotel credit and $200 airline free credit. It also has it also has access to exclusive Centurion and Priority Pass lounges, Marriott and Hilton Gold Elite status, and comprehensive statement credits for digital entertainment, Uber, and more. Next, we have the Capital One Venture X. So it offers simplicity and value. For the annual fee, it has a $395 annual fee. For the welcome bonus, it has 75,000 miles, so approximately $4,000 spent in 3 months. For the top rewards, it has 10 times on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 times on flights booked through Capital One Travel, and 2 times on all other purchases. For the key benefits, it has $300 annual travel credit, $10,000 anniversary bonus miles, Capital One and Priority Pass Lounge access, global entry, and TSA pre check credit. Now, for the comparison of each one, let's just recap what we saw earlier. For the Chase Sapphire Reserve, it has an annual fee of $795, $695 for Amex Platinum, and $395 for Capital One Venture X. So, Capital One Venture X is the cheapest one. But for the welcome bonus, Chase Sapphire Reserve has 100,000 points and $500 travel credits, and Amex Platinum has up to 175,000 points, but Capital One Venture X has 75,000 miles. For the top reward rates, Chase Sapphire Reserves has 8 times Chase Travel, MX Platinum has 5 times flights/hotels with MX Travel, Capital One Venture X has 10 times hotels and cards with Capital One Travel. Now for the travel credit, Chase Sapphire Reserve has $300 plus $500 hotel, MX Platinum has $200 hotel and $200 airline, and Capital One Venture X has $300. And for the lounge access, with Chase Sapphire Reserve you have Priority Pass, but with MX Platinum you have Centurion and Priority Pass, which is better. And even better, with Capital One Venture X, you have the Capital One Lounge and the Priority Pass. And now let's just see what's best for what. Now we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, that's best for point value and Chase travel. Now for the MX Platinum, it's best for luxury perks, lounge access, etc. And for Capital One Venture X, it has low fees and very high flexibility. Now to make your choice, there are 3 steps. Just value your spending habits, so assess where you spend the most, dining, travel bookings, or general purchases. This will guide you to the card with the most lucrative reward rates for your lifestyle. Next, consider your travel preferences. So, do you prioritize luxury lounges, flexible transfer partners, or straightforward redemption? Each card excels in different areas of the travel experience. Then, evaluate annual fees versus benefits. So, weigh the annual fee against the total value of credits and benefits you're likely to utilize. So, a higher fee can be justified by significant savings and perks. And now, guys, your next adventure awaits. So, choosing the right premium travel card is a strategic decision that can significantly enhance your travel experiences and maximize your rewards. For the most current terms and conditions, always visit the official websites, so chase.com, americanexpress.com, and capitalone.com. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.